Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Katrina here, and today I'm so excited to show you the latest addition to my collection for 2022, a paint diary by Midori. And what attracted me to this book, it's only for the months, and I got a wonderful idea to sketch a certain thing just for the months. It comes in a plastic cover, which also doubles as a little pocket in the front for you to slip things in. And also in the back, I think you could probably use the back cover to slip little papers in or notes. It has an attached pocket for you to put pencils, papers, scissors, whatever your heart desires. As long as it's flat, then you'll be able to fold it, snap it, and take it wherever. Okay, this particular one, like I said before, only shows you the months of the year. So we're starting out with a 2-year monthly calendar, this year and next year. And then showing you a year at a glance schedule. Not sure what I'm going to do in that area. And then it's just months, no weeklies, no other yearly things, just months. And it gives you 16 months. It starts last October of 2021 through January 2023. So for the things I'm going to do for this particular calendar, it's going to be great because I'll be able to do it twice. This page down at the bottom in Japanese says to write what you want to save up, and as you save up, color a flower towards your goal. These 2 pages has books and movies that you have read or you want to read or you want to watch or you have watched. This is a birthday list, not very many, but I guess the ones that you forget or the important ones you can write down there. In Japanese at the bottom of this page says to write where you want to travel to. So I can't wait to fill that one out. And then this is like Polaroid shots. So I thought this would be really fun to fill in each month of just doodling a certain thing. Habit trackers, a full 2 pages of habit trackers. I'm not sure exactly if I'm going to use it as a habit tracker yet. And if you guys saw my National Handwriting Day, you will recognize that page. And check this out, guys, like how many blank pages we have to doodle, to paint with, to write on, to put stickers on. And it's nice and thick, which will hold the paint. I haven't tried gouache with it, but with my watercolors, it holds up nicely. It doesn't wrinkle. And I'm pointing out right here these dots on the page, kind of a little brighter than the grid. And the Midori says it's for you to help. They have self-inking stamps, which I do not have yet, that you can place it exactly in that area and you'll have enough room for it. And at the very end, it showed where I could put my name and address. Already has a little love on the back there. In December, I decided I wanted to doodle national days of the month, and this was the perfect fit for it. As you can see, I picked a couple of them. That was Coffee Day, Name Your Card Day, Mad Hatter Day, Tag Your It Day, Eric the Red Day, Coming Out Day, Dyslexia Awareness Month, No Bra Day, Take Your Teddy Bear to Work Day. That's why it has a little tie. I Love Lucy Day. Dictionary Day. Nacho Day. Pumpkin Day, Black Cat Day, and Knock Knock Jokes with caramel apples. What a great combination to have. Real quickly, I want to show you that this was in 2021. So this year in 2022 in October, I'm going to pick different days to doodle. So I can't wait to see what I choose in October. Okay, we're going to move on to November. If you love the color orange, you're in luck. November's Orange Day. We have Macaroni Cheese Day, Sub Day, Hard Candy Day, Redhead Days, STEM as in the sciences, Scrabble Tile Day, Pickle Day, Button Day, Butter Day, Mickey Mouse's birthday. It's also my husband's birthday. Adoption Day, Red Mitten, that's mostly in Canada. Cake Day, so I drew 2 different type of cakes, ending with Hot Pepper Month. Okay, let's go on to December. There is AIDS Awareness Day, Popcorn Day, Sock Day, Ninja Day, Look how cute this ninja is. I'm so proud of my ninja. And then we have Red Shoe Day, Write a Letter Day, Dewey Decimal System Day, Hot Cocoa Day, Cupcake Day, Yule, Happy Festivus for the rest of us, and Candy Stripe Day. Also, it's tie month, so if you have your ties, make sure you wear them in December. On to January of 22. This was on the 6th. It was a tree planting day, but we start out with Bloody Mary's, Sci-Fi Day, Doctor Who, Star Trek, and Star Wars in this house, Hot Air Balloon Day, J.R.R. Tolkien Day, Hot Toddy Day, Hot Tea Day, Go Fly a Kite Day. Let's see what else. Polka Dot Day, Handwriting Day, Peanut Butter Day, and then on the 31st, Inspire Your Heart with Art Day. As you can tell, I have not filled out February yet, except for in the corner. Why? Because I found out on the 2nd, not only is it Groundhog Day, it's Ukulele and Tater Tot Day. So my son challenged me to combine all three. So I drew a groundhog named Tater playing the ukulele. I do have a process video for February. I will link it down below for you to see. Thank you for joining me today, and I can't wait to hear what your favorite national day of the month is. Thank you for watching. Remember, messy hands, happy life. See you next time. Bye.